How to lose fat with Meritrim. This is where most women hold their fat, in the hips and midsection. Taking Meritrim twice a day before your two biggest meals, in addition to walking or exercising for 30 minutes a day, will speed up fat loss. And here's where it gets really exciting. This is her fat in her midsection and hips. Public research tells us we have a set number of fat cells in our lives. Some of our fat cells over time increase in size, but you still have the same number of fat cells. Meritrim activates the hormone called adiponectin in our midsection, which in turn helps metabolize the fat within that area. Watch, you can see how the fat is metabolized with a combination of Meritrim, diet, and exercise for an overall increase in weight loss. See the change in just 8 weeks. Meritrim is an all-natural fruit and flower extract, and it is stimulant-free. Lose weight with diet, exercise, and Meritrim. Get Meritrim today.